Hello dear students, in the previous class I gave you the introduction of revaluation account, how to prepare revaluation account. Let me give you a recap. Revaluation is nominal account. Any losses it occurs on the debit side, profits credit side. It means asset value is increasing, credit, profit. Asset value is decreasing, debit, loss. Liability value is increasing, loss, debit. Liability value decreasing, then it's a profit. And whatever profits we get, that will be transferred to the partner's capital account. This is simple revaluation account. We'll see one problem. The problem is given on the desktop, you can just see. So A, B are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 7:3. And the following was the balance sheet as on 31st March 2020. Remember 7:3 ratio, A, B are partners. What is given balance sheet? Asset side cash at bank, debtors, stock, furniture, machinery, building. And liability side creditors, bills payable and capital accounts of A and B. A's is 80,000, B's is 40,000. On the above date, the assets and liabilities are to be revalued as under. How to revaluate? The values are given here. So first one is they are saying depreciate machinery by 10%. Machinery depreciate means it's a loss. Asset value is decreasing. Decreasing means debit side of revaluation account. In the same way, stock is to be depreciated. This is also loss. So debit side of revaluation account will write. Next, create provision for bad debts. 5% on debtors. Whenever we are creating provision bad debts, it's a loss. So debit side means loss means debit side of the revaluation account we are going to write. The value of buildings are to be appreciated by 20%. Building value 20% we have to appreciate, means it's a appreciation, profit. So this comes on the credit side of revaluation account. Next, creditors are to be increased. Creditors, liability is increasing, loss. So revaluation account, debit side. Give necessary journal entries to record the changes in the value of assets and liabilities and prepare revaluation account and partnership capital accounts. First we will prepare, you note down this problem, it is on the desktop, note down, it will be easy for you to understand, okay. So first we will prepare revaluation account. Revaluation account, what do we write first? Depreciate machinery value 10%. Machinery is here 30,000, 10% means 3,000 to machinery account. 30,000, 10% is 3,000. And in the same way, stock is to be depreciated by 5%. Stock value is also, we have to depreciate 5%. Stock value is here 20,000. 20,000, 5% means 1,000 rupees. Depreciate means loss. Loss will be on the debit side. 1,000 it is. Next, create provision for bad debts 5%. Provision for bad debts always loss, na? So debit side will write. Provision for bad debts. BD means bad debts. So how much it is? 5% on debtors. Debtors value is 30,000. 30,000, 10% is 3,000. 5% is 1,500. Next, the value of building is to be appreciated by 20%. Appreciation, credit side. So building, buy building. Building account, you can write account. So 20% appreciation, value is 40,000. 40,000, 20%. 10% means 4,000. 20% means 8,000. So it is 8,000. Next, creditors are to be increased by 1,000. Creditors increasing, liability increasing, loss, debit side to creditors account. This is how much? 1,000. 1,000, that's all. Revaluation account is over. Revaluation, what do we do? Assets increasing, credit. Asset decreasing, debit. liability increasing debit, liability decreasing credit. On this basis adjustment we have posted. Now we will close the account. 8,000, this is less, so how much it comes, we will see the calculator. $8,000 minus 3,500 and 3,000 means 6,500. 6,500 means you will be getting 2,500. Anyway, let me check it out. 8,000 minus 6,500. 1,500, sorry. I don't like calculations, don't mind. Problems I do generally, students used to calculate. When I used to teach in the classroom, students used to calculate. I used to just tell the pro forma and calculations, but simple calculations. Okay, so 1,500, no? 1,500 we are going to distribute it in the ratio of 7:3. So 7:3 profit to A and B. 7:3, once again calculator. 1,500, 7:3 means into 7 divided by 10. It comes 1,050. 1,050 to A. 3 means 1,500 divided by 3 divided by 10 comes 450. So this is over, revaluation. Then after that they are asking us to prepare accounts, their partner's account. So for writing the partner accounts, what do we have? We have only this profit and also their opening balances. So who are the partners? A and B. AB's capital accounts will open, then after the general entries I will show you. So you can write it on the top, capital accounts. Debit, credit, particulars, A and B and particulars. Always remember, you will start this capital account with a capital. What is the capital given? A is 80,000 and B is 40,000. Capital always comes on the credit side. So what do you write? By balance brought down. By balance brought down. How much it is? 80,000 and 40,000. Next, profit only we are going to transfer it. Is there any amount is to be related to the partners? Anything is given? Nothing is given, simply this one only. So we'll write the profit, we'll share the profit from revaluation account debit to credit. When you are transferring, what do you write? By revaluation account. 1,050 and 450. Total up 81,050 and 40,450. That's all we have. So what do you write? This will be transferring to the debit side. Debit side nothing is there. So what do you write? To balance brought down. 1,050 and 450. Sorry, 81,000 81,050 and 40,450. The same amount is transferred to the next. By balance brought down, same amount 81,050, 40,450. So up to here this is over. Okay. Now they are asking us to prepare the journal entries. Journal entries, once if you prepare this, it is easy. I'll just tell you, you can write down. Okay. So it's very difficult to write, it will take lot of time. Journal entries, how to write? First journal entries here, revaluation account debit side will take. First one is revaluation account attached to machinery account. So this is first journal entry. What do you write? Pause the video, you can write down. Revaluation account attached to machinery account. Same pro forma, you have to write date, particulars, LF, debit, credit, journal entry, same pro forma as I taught you in the beginning class. Okay. So revaluation account attached to machinery account. What is the narration? Being machinery value decreased. Second one, stock. It is also on the debit side. So revaluation account attached to stock account. Revaluation account attached to stock account. And the third one, you can take this one. Building is on the credit side of revaluation account. Revaluation is credit side. Building is debit side. So entry is building account attached to revaluation account. Being appreciation in building. Okay. Next, fourth one, provision for bad debts. It's a loss, it's on the debit side. So fourth entry will take this. Revaluation account attached to provision for bad debts, 1500. Being provision in the being provision provided. Okay. Or you can write being provision for bad debts. Over. Next entry, you take this one, creditors. Sixth entry. Creditors value is decreasing. So debit side we have written debit side of revaluation account. So revaluation account attached to creditors account. Being decrease in the creditors value. Okay. Next sixth entry will take this one. Sixth is over, no? Seventh one. Forgot to write this 8,000. So seventh entry is here profit. For profit, revaluation account attached to A's account, B's account. So total amount it will be like this. Revaluation account attached to A's account to B's account. So it is total amount is 1500. For A's 1050, B's is 450. Being profit transferred to capital's account. Narration. Okay. So this is over. Now next here for brought down and carried down. Sorry, this is carried down, no? So for brought down and carried down, we don't write journal entries. Now what is left for profit? This is also already we have written. So from there it is coming, no? So you can write one entry for this. In capital account it is on the credit side. So A's account attached to revaluation account. This is one entry. A's account attached to revaluation account. So A's account is here not debited, it's credited, no? So revaluation account attached to A's account. 1050. And in the same revaluation account attached to B's account 450. So altogether how many entries we got it here? 7. And this is 8, 9 and 10. Total 10 journal entries we got it. Simple revaluation, if you know journal entries is by looking at that revaluation account, you can make out, you can write journal entries. Simple one, this one. And in the coming classes, we'll see some more problems. Step by step, if you go, you will not have any doubts at all. So stay connected to this channel, go to the description box or playlist. Many subjects already prepared. Do share these videos with the students, maybe your juniors, seniors, or your classmates, anyone it can be. Please share it so that let them to feel accounts is easy. Commerce is quite easy, nothing to worry. Okay, let us give that feeling to everyone. Take care of your career, practice well, good luck.